That one broke me off. I got it wrapped up in the weeds. So I'm sitting in about three feet of water. I had to drop anchor. 3 feet of water. And I got fish just boiling all around me, so I'm trying to be quiet. Set up my rig again. If you just heard that one jump right by the boat. Wow, 30 feet out. Now I caught that by throwing this soft plastic out on top of the lily pads. And what I did was I bounced it along the top of the lily pads, and then as soon as it come off the lily pads, that thing just inhaled it. So it's a good way to entice a strike if you get their attention by just dragging it across. But bear in mind, every time you go between lily pads, there's a potential strike there, and that's how I caught that. Let's see if I can do it again. Oh, perfect cast. Perfect. So they miss it a lot of times because by the time they actually get the right, yeah, just like that. Oh, what do we got? Another snipe, another pickerel. Pickerel zone. That he come off. Anyway, that's how that's done. You know, they're a lot of fun to catch, I'll say that. Every once in a while you get into a big one, but pickerel around here aren't really that desirable. They're fun to catch, certainly, but it doesn't have the prestige of a northern pike. Think I can do it again? Let's give it a shot. Oh, perfect. Now again, I'm bouncing it right over the lily pads. Oh, well, we finally get a bass. He's gonna spit it though. Come on. Come on, buddy. Yeah, he's gonna spit it. If I get him in here, he won't. Had a little one, but he inhaled that worm. As you can see. Little one, but hey, bass is a bass. Man, what a beautiful day to be out here, regardless of what you're catching. Rig it up super weedless. And do my snag. There. Now, what I've got here is a beautiful little ambush spot. There's a dead piece of timber out over the edge of the pond and right into the lily pads. What are the odds, huh? Come on. Come on. I know you want it. So, he's right there. No. At the boat. Come on, hit it. I just had came all the way back to the boat and I spooked him. Oh. Come on. So fun to watch them just explode. See if I can show you what I mean. What you do is you have your worm like that. Okay. And then you just keep bouncing it like that. And then when you hit one of these like that, you're going to get a strike. But you just keep bouncing it along. Those lily pads. Like that. And then leave it right there and just like that. And that's where you get your strike, right there. And they explode out of the water to hit it. And then when you get it onto a pad, just twitch it like that. And very productive, because those fish like to get in these under these pads, and you know the sun's high and hot, and they get under these pads and get some shade. And oh, here we go. Oh, missed him. Look at him. Unfortunately, oh, fortunately, I should say, the system's working, but I was going to turn the camera on and show you how this worked right at the boat, but I thought I'd do it next cast, and sure enough, he decided to hit this cast. That thing hit literally right there. Well, we are just hammering the pickerel today. Not what we're after. Let's see. A little pickerel. A very small version of what is also looks like a northern pike, but that's a pickerel. As if you haven't seen one of those. Oh, the party just started. Ah, pickerel. Oh well. Took my worm and everything. Thank you, Mr. Pickerel. Problem is, I've caught about 4 or 5 fish out of this little hole, so I think I've possibly dried up my reserve here. I don't know how many fish this little place is going to hold, but there he is. There he is. Oh, baby. Oh, I spit it again. Damn. God. Man, it's hard to hook him. Let's try that again. Good Lord. Keep me weedless. I get this thing so super weedless that it's hard to set the hook. But, as you can see, it's creating a... Oh, right there we go. Oh, he spit it again. Oh, man, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right. See if I can't draw him out one more time. Or another one just like him. How about that, huh? Oh. Come on. Just oh, there's bait fish in there. Huh. That's interesting. That was a bass too, not a pickerel. There he is. Oh, damn. Wow. I want to catch a fish for you people. even when you don't catch them, just to see that lily pad explode like that, it's just so much fun. One more time over there. Oh, that's some serious real estate right there. Right there. Right there. Oh. All right, that's how that works. Another pickerel. But you see how it works. Whew. You inhaled that sucker too, man.